In a 2016 Hyundai Sonata, here's how you replace your car's interior cabin filter. Start by opening up the glove box. Look for these here on both sides. Turn them 90 degrees. That allows the glove box to come all the way down. And then there's this damper rod that you remove. That pulls off of that. Whoops, it's broken there, but you pull the black part off. And then look for this door. Come over to the right. Got some paperwork jammed in here. Come over to the right and click that tab, and this opens up like a window off of those hinges. And then just like a CD-ROM, this filter will pull straight out. Ooh, that is dirty. I'll put an affiliate link in products to buy the new filter, which you then take and insert it like a CD, and then put this window back on and reverse the process, rehanging up the glove box.